This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, Poulet à l'oignon. In honor of one of the greatest love stories on television, Abe and Rose Weissman, from the marvelous Mrs. Maisel series, I made this French onion chicken dish. I imagine it would be something Rose would ask Zelda to make Abe if he ever got out of line again. Instead of going back to France, this would remind him that she did leave him once and would again, while also bringing back the memories of them falling in love again in Paris. We recently binge-watched the series, late to the party as usual. I understand why it garnered so many awards. It was brilliant on so many levels. I mean, the wardrobe alone, those dresses, oh my god. One of the reasons I never watched it was because everybody that I knew said it reminded them of me and I would love it. And I'm an asshole. I didn't want to watch something that reminded everybody of me. They kept saying they could see me in the show. I fucking wish. I had dreams of being a star of stage and screen when I was growing up in New York City. And I was very fucking funny, not just funny looking. Now here I am in my 17th incarnation, Mama Miche, helping you make your kitchen magic.
I love this dish. The French, oh, they know their shit. Let's eat.